Hello guys, this is my second e.x.e scenario. I don't own any of those tones. So grab some popcorn and some snacks and enjoy this video. The following message has been translated of the request of the California Police Department. A flower has a boomerang and nuts. Do not panic. Panicking will make the situation worse. Stay calm and let the police see it. If it's the flower from the other e.x.e scenario, call 911. I repeat, if you see the flower, call 911. Stay tuned for more updates on the strange situation. The following message has been translated with request of the Canadian Police Department. A flower from the United States has nuts and boomerangs. Do not panic. Stay calm. If you stay calm, the situation will get better, but if you panic, panicking will make the situation worse. Stay tuned for more updates on this dangerous situation.
Le message suivant a été traduit à la demande du service de police canadien. Une fleur des États-Unis possède des noix et des boomerangs. Ne paniquez pas. Restez calme. Si vous restez calme, la situation s'améliorera, mais si vous paniquez, paniquer aggravera la situation. Restez à l'écoute pour plus de mises à jour sur cette situation dangereuse.
The following message has been translated to the request of the Michigan Police Department. The flower is unknown and has still boomerangs and nuts. This flower is named Cagney carnation e.x.e. Cagney carnation e.x.e is very dangerous. This is from California. I made this e.x.e from 1 hour ago. Stay tuned for more updates on this dangerous situation. The following message has been translated to the request of the Arizona Police Department. Cagney carnation is going on a killing spree. If you see Cagney carnation, seek shelter or call 911. I repeat, if you see Cagney carnation, call 911. Stay tuned for more updates on this very dangerous situation. OMG 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 OMG, it's Cagney Carnation e.x.e. Are you sure this is the flower that we have to defeat? Yeah, are you dumb? No. The following message has been translated from the request of the Washington, D.C. Police Department. At 4:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Cagney Carnation e.x.e. has a tank that could attack people more. Please seek shelter immediately. Stay tuned for more updates on this dangerous situation. All clear. I repeat, all clear. The following message has been translated from the request of the United States government. Some good guy killed Cagney Carnation e.x.e. You could exit out of your shelters now. We go back to regular programming.